What is up, D Squad? Big Daddy D here. I'm going to be doing this differently, mainly because it's a late night thing, and I thought I may as well try to get some conversation out of this as well. But I'm going to be doing a live food review for you guys. So let's just get straight into that. Your guys' comments and stuff will be popping up on my screen, so maybe we can talk a little bit while we're going. What's up, Colby? What's up, Armani B? What's up, everybody who's joining, guys? So we're gonna jump into this, you guys. So yo, what is up, everybody? This is Big Daddy D back here with another food review for each and every one of you players out there. Caleb, thank you for checking in, brother. So today, my friend Ian K from Peep This Out. Derek, what's up, brother? Ian K from Peep This Out reviewed this just the other day. And when I saw that review, just something about that sandwich made me really want to go get it. So I went and got it. It's the chicken, let's see, what is it? The chicken bacon ranch sandwich. Everybody thumbs up. Yes, absolutely. Armani got it on the dot, guys. The Island, what's up, dude? Dominoes is the best, brother. The sandwiches are great. Yes, Alien Gonzalez comes in peace on the live stream. Thank you for checking in. Let me get straight into this, you guys, because I do want to get this done. So here's the box it comes in, like their normal box that has like their wings, even some, I don't know what else comes in a box like this, but it's a big long box. So let's just dig into this. The bacon ranch chicken sandwich from Domino's. You're excited, the Island? It's good to be excited. So first things first is this thing is a decent size here. Let me go ahead and take one out, one half of it out. It's cut in half here. So here it is, everybody. Check that out. You guys can see the front there. Let me just break it down. My night is going well. Doofy, of course. I'm doing things all the time. So, here it is. I'm going to take this top bun off and let you take a look at this. That looks good. Just an absolute mess of chicken, bacon, cheese, and ranch. How much Space Rocks does it take to get one? I don't know, brother. So I'm gonna go ahead. Just look at this, you guys. This looks super good. I don't know if it looks like that through the camera or whatnot, but the chicken bacon ranch sandwich from Domino's. To be honest, you guys, I've never even had a sandwich from Domino's. I've always had pizza from Domino's. So when I saw Ian K review this, bang. So Trey Fandango, hope it's a banger in these streets. I hope it's a banger too, man. So here we go, you guys. Let's go ahead and give this a try. One more look at it before it gets demolished. Guys, ready? The Island says their sandwiches are super good. Everybody else saying it looks good. They're a little pricey. I think it is $6.99, so it is a little bit pricey. I can agree with that a little bit, but maybe the taste will make up for that, guys. So let's go ahead, without all this chat, and dig straight into this. Let's go. It's probably weird for those of you watching live to see this and not have any of the music start playing as I start chewing. But that bite was just a lot of cheese. A lot of cheese and a little bit of chicken. So let me see if I can get a bigger bite of chicken and we can go into a more fair grade on this. Okay. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not tasting a ranch taste on this literally anywhere. The bread is on point, Derek says. Yeah, the bread, yeah, guys, the bread here, I like this little flatbread type bread. It's beautiful, man. Like, just, bread is on point. But with, that's like a chunk of like raw chicken. I'm not even playing right now. Okay. But, or bacon, one of the two. A lot of cheese, a lot of cheese. Ian K kind of ran into the same problem, not a lot of chicken. But I'm not really getting much of a ranch flavor either. I mean, it still tastes good though. Like Derek said, the bread is on point. So let me go ahead and take a few more. Maybe we can Get a good grade on this. See if I can get a good one. Okay. You know, it's not that bad, but it's not as good as the video from Ian that from Peep This Out made me feel that it would be. Sweatpants Joe, what's up, brother? Good to have you in on the live stream review. But you guys, this just isn't not. It looked so much better watching people eat it than it is to eat it, and that's kind of disappointing. But it's still pretty good. Would I order this again? Probably not. Yeah, like Matthew Wayne Smith says, the sandwich looks a little light in the streets, and I can agree with that. Sweatpants says Dominoes is usually a letdown. That might be the case. Too much for Dominoes. Yeah, their number one issue is there's never enough chicken, and that's exactly what I'm getting. This is like cheese bread with a little bit of bacon and a little bit of chicken, you know, and not really a ranch taste. Would I order this again? Probably not. I'm just going to keep it real with you guys. Probably not. But I'm just going to go ahead. Let's break this down. I'm going to give this, you know, I'm going to give this a 2 out of 5. It just didn't impress me really in any way. Besides what Derek said, the bread is good. I like the bread. But for $6, and I think it's $6.99, you guys, I don't know. I'm not a fan of this. Maybe a 2.5. So I'm gonna let me upgrade this to 2.5. Okay, let's go 2.5 out of 5. Not too bad. Thumb sideways. But you guys, here's what I'm gonna do. Since we are doing a live stream, we're having a little bit of success right now. I'm gonna end this video so I can post this because I'm actually going to post this as a real review tomorrow, as like an edited review tomorrow. So I'll post that, and then I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna start a new live stream where we can just talk. So I hope to see all you guys back on that live stream. But anyway, that'll be it for the video, guys. Remember to leave this video with thumbs up. If you're new to the video, guys, leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, guys, consider subscribing. If you need me, if you need Big Daddy D in your life, why not subscribe to me, guys? Check me out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. That's where Big Daddy D is at. Links are in the description as well as on the end page you guys are about to see. Dominoes? That's all I can say is But when I end this video, I will start a real live stream for you guys. And if you're watching this video tomorrow, which would be, what is tomorrow? Friday? No. Yeah, Friday. If you're watching this video on Friday, obviously you're watching it. So that'll be it for the video, guys. See you on the next one. Peace out. Playa.